Hi folks, and thank you for spending some time for me today on this video walk around on this 2018 lightly used Jayco White Hawk series. It's a 27-footer with a rear bathroom and a nice big slide out in the middle. It makes great use of space, and we'll show you just how beautiful it is on the interior first. With the rear bathroom unit, you end up having the best use of space in a very, very large living area with this super slide out. So look at all this space in here. It's like a dance floor. If you and the missus and whoever want to get in there and dance, you can. Makes it very nice. You do have a large area of windows. They don't put a huge amount of storage in there because they've got a lot of storage elsewhere, and that gives you bigger windows. So check out that, it's nice. You do have, of course, a larger refrigerator option, which is an 8 cubic foot I like real well instead of the 6. So you have that. Nice big TV, entertainment area that plays everything through that video player there, DVDs and CDs and all that. It's got a nice big real size queen bed in here in the bedroom, and you also have a closet in here which has a hanging and also 4 or 5 drawers. So you want to see that when the camera guy can show you that information. It's nice to see. And you do also have the hanging storage here and on that side with that big window up front. Makes it nice for natural light. If you want to do a lot of dry camping, you can do that. Has a place for TV right at the end of the bed here if you need to hang that up. And then on the main area, you've got a table that flips up there. Right now it's in the stowed position for if you want to make that into a bed. You do also have this one, which is going to be a tri-folding sofa bed that comes out into the living area and sleeps 2 adults comfortably there. Again, all the windows that open up on the ends for extra ventilation. You do have all this pantry that's right here. And you have a pantry with adjustable shelves that maybe could be made into more wardrobe here as well. And then look at this nice rear bathroom. Guess what? Big bathroom is what it should be, RBB. So it's a large bathroom, medicine cabinet, your sink right there, your rounded shower here, which is a real nice feature. But look at all this, it'll just absolutely amaze somebody. The camera guy can look around, look at all that extra hanging space there. Look at all the drawers underneath. I mean, you never have enough storage, right? So there you go. Look at all that, it's pretty cool. And the right here, even on the way out, it does have your single sink here, but you've got some storage down below, and you also have storage below the booth seats over there that were there. But also another nice feature that you don't always think about, and that is that they hide all this stuff right here for when you need to have it, and it keeps it away from maybe the grandkids or the children that want to get in and kind of push the buttons down low. So really nice to have this up out of the way, out of reach. With the rear bathroom set up like that, you also have the access on this end of it to have a nice outside kitchen. Your hot and cold is tied to your main house system inside there. You do have a refrigerator that's going to be an electric only, but of course you got all that storage inside that larger 8 cubic foot inside that you can be when you're not hooked up. This one you want to be hooked up. This right here, you do have your 2 burner stove right there. A little more storage inside there, a plug-in if needed, a light on the outside. And I like the way this just holds itself in and out by way of a couple of air shocks that are on back side. You do also have a push button, so your stabilizer arms are going to be power on a pair in the front and a pair in the back. You do have your ladder to gain access up top, and you do have pre-wiring for a backup camera because this is a used 18 model, and so now in the last few years you're getting that opportunity to have the camera wiring already there. Spare tire. And look how with this ground clearance, it's a nice height to it. It has your easy to pull and get to on your valves to pull on here, your power supply, your cable satellite, your shower outside, and you do have the black tank flush, which is a more common thing nowadays, nice to have as well. But vacuum laminated sidewalls. Jayco brags about a couple key things. They feel they have one of the best lamination systems in there that are a true vacuum lamination. And they also have a Magnum Truss roof system, which is they brag as being 50% greater in strength than most brands out there, and I believe that to be quite accurate. You do also have a window, which is going to be a flush frameless window on the main windows, which makes it nice for if you want to open them up in the rain, if you want to be able to look at longevity. They don't really have any of the rubber that's exposed, it's all hidden in there. But look at this nice feature too. You got automotive seals on here like you have on cars and trucks typically. You have metal instead of plastic types of systems like you see on the clasp on the door up here. You saw the camera showed you how much storage there was below. You also have very thick doors, and look at how thick those are. Makes it really nice for insulation. And those automotive seals keep the fine dust out when you want to go down gravelly roads for a long trip for that perfect campsite. You do have a double Battery system up front. You got that window that we showed incorporated into that cap up there. Some LED light accents that you see here and here. You do have the larger tanks, that easy access on top of this here, and your power tongue jack. So this product, again, from Jayco, we carry the Jayco product. This happens to be a slightly used 2018. You guys are definitely going to have questions if you see this one. It won't last a long time. I believe it's certainly one of the better traders out there for the market. Got a lot of storage inside. You'll have questions at the end of this video. Please look at that number and give me a call. I've been out here for 29 years, Tom Peterson. Call me when you do. I'm sure I'll be able to answer your questions for it. And remember, out here in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.